RDS at the Design and Crafts Council of Ireland exhibition, or Expo 2019, and we're here in the Design Ireland area. So many beautiful products, handmade, handcrafted, hand designed. And of course we have visitors here from all over the world, Mary, don't we?
We have visitors from all corners of the globe. We have them from Japan, from the UK, from all over Ireland. Over 23 million was sold business to business here, which is an incredible achievement, for a small country.
Credit where credit's due. The Design and Craft Council of Ireland has done a phenomenal job in giving these craft workers a platform to show their work.